We are here at Eagle River, Wisconsin for their car show. We're on Main Street to the left, 46 do like the Roadster. It's an old school jalopy, cool old school wheels.
Smoke in the air, catch the scent. Oh, smells good. Chilling on the hood where all the time gets spent. From the boulevard flip to the beach we went. Yeah. Hustle, smooth talk, can't pay no rent.
Is this yours? Cool. I like it. It's like hot rod material.
I sound like I'm going fast. I am not. If I have overdrive, I wouldn't hit 55.
They're just classic.
Roll. Flip a coin on the scene, let the summer unfold. Snapping fingers at the homies, yup, we in control. Bang, bang. Cause around here we spit life in gold.
Just like the old school metal like that, yeah.
Down in the breeze, funky flow, gliding, doing just what we please. Catch the sunset rays, dripping orange with ease. Hey. It's a West Coast anthem.
What's your name?
Like
Don and Keith. Thanks for showing us your car.
Well, thanks for appreciating it.
Yeah, oh, by all means. Yeah, old school. That's really cool. Thank you.
Monty's driving. Monty's going to drive home. It was my first car. Yeah, when I was in New Zealand. My dad is the guy that was the mechanic, apprentice mechanic. He's 90 years old now. So my dad's the only mechanic ever to touch this car. So in '76, when Bert got too old to drive, he sold it to my dad. I was 13 years old. Wow. So this was both my sister's first driver and mine.
That's really cool.
Yeah, and it's original. What in the 80s?
What year is it?
52.
52? Okay.
Yeah. So it's my little baby. I brought it over from, been here a year.
Okay.
I shipped it. So this car's actually been through the Panama Canal twice. 152.
That's a great story.
That's why I got it here.
Yeah.
It cost me way more to bring it over than what the car's worth.
I suppose they're probably not worth a whole lot, are they?
No. They're not expensive.
They're unique. You never see them up here.
When I die, my daughter gets it.
That's really neat.
Thank you. All right, Monty. Good driving. It's over.
Rude, crude, and socially unacceptable. Those are some meats on there. Wow. '32 Ford with a 392 Hemi in it. I love the old school moon tank on there. This is really cool stuff. Yeah. 1973 Dodge Demon. Yeah, the 340 in it. With a 4-speed, I think. Pop-out rear glass on here. Very nice restoration. That's nice. Wow. These air cleaners, I can't remember what they call these, but these air cleaners are unique.
Smoke in the air, catch the scent. Oh, smells good. Chilling on the hood where all the time gets spent.
69 C10 Chevy. I'm the second, fourth, and sixth owner. That's really cool. '67 K10, you got poly fuel injection on there, worn hubs. This is a really clean vehicle. Very nicely restored again. Even air conditioning. Snapping fingers at the homies, yup, we in control. We have a 1955 Chevy 210 full street. Retro threads rocking top down in the breeze. Funky flow gliding, doing just what we please. Catch the sunset rays dripping orange with ease. It's a West Coast anthem, living free like the seas. This is one of my favorite styles with the horizontal headlights like that. 1961 Corvette. Here we have a 1980s, 85 to be exact, T-top Oldsmobile Cutlass. But this guy looks like he's got nitrous oxide in here. A lot of wood grain in there. Even wood steering wheel. Check out the ponies on the back seats and on the upholstery on the. That's cool. Barbecue, smoke in the air, catch the scent. Oh, smells good. Chilling on the hood where all the time gets spent. From the boulevard flip to the beach we went. Yeah. Hustle, smooth talk, can't pay no rent. Let the energy roll. Flip a coin on the scene, let the summer unfold.
Snapping fingers at the homies, yup, we in control. Cause around here we spit life in gold. Retro threads rocking top down in the breeze. Funky flow gliding, doing just what we please. Catch the sunset rays dripping orange with ease. It's a West Coast anthem, living free like the seas.
The Pontoon Saloon.
Thank you for coming.
Oh my God, thank you guys so much.
First place in that category, a Z06 Vet. You notice we really don't say necessarily where they're from unless it's something wild and crazy. We don't care where people bring their vehicles. We have vehicles here from Illinois, the UP, all over the place. We just welcome them all.
Rolling slow past the shore, sun's on the scene. Oh yeah. Palm trees swaying, we keep the chrome clean. Shades on my eyes, feeling real supreme. Baseline bumping like you're living a dream. Bump. Bounce. Bounce. Let the good vibes ride. Talk box screaming while the sun collide. Groove all day, let the rhythm decide. West Coast chill with a cruiser's pride. Barbecue, smoke in the air, catch the scent. Oh, smells good. Chilling on the hood where all the time gets spent. From the boulevard flip to the beach we went. Hustle, smooth talk, can't pay no rent. Bump. Bounce. Let the good vibes ride. Talk box screaming while the sun collide. Groove all day, let the rhythm decide. West Coast chill with a cruiser's pride. Yeah. Sparking up the vibe, let the energy roll. Flip a coin on the scene, let the summer unfold. Snapping fingers at the homies, yup, we in control. Cause around here we spit life in gold. Retro threads rocking top down in the breeze. Funky flow gliding, doing just what we please. Catch the sunset rays dripping orange with ease. It's a West Coast anthem, living free like the seas. We keep the